Morning, sir. Today I will discuss the quiz number 6 in our elective. Now we are tasked to use the same system, but the difference is the labels are interchanged and the activation of LEDs and how it reacts to the buttons. Now I will discuss the same PLC ladder diagram and same PLC wiring diagram and demo the changes in the diagram. On the left side, we still use two PLC cards. The other one is for the input and the other one is for the output. The input still represents the start and stop button. On the other hand, the output, which are still the relays and the contactor. On the ladder diagram, we see that some labels are interchanged. That represents how the LEDs will react to the system. Now I will show you the demo of the system. When I press the start, the green LED will not be lit and the red will be lit, as well as the solenoid coil. Then the cylinder will move forward. As you can see, the cylinder moves forward and the red LED is lit. When I press the stop button, it will retract and back to its original position and the green LED will be lit.